In this topic, statistics and society, we'll be having a look at how we go through the process of statistical inquiry. When we undergo some sort of inquiry or question by which we use statistics to answer a question, we will go through a number of steps. These steps are posing questions, summarizing and displaying data, collecting data, analyzing data and drawing conclusions, organizing data, writing a report. Here we're going to be focusing on the first two steps, posing questions and summarizing and displaying data. There's a number of types of questions we can ask when undergoing statistical inquiry. We can have free response or open-ended. Here a question might be, what do you like about NRL? We might have a yes or no question. Do you like NRL? We might have a true or false question, which is very similar to the yes or no question. I like NRL. True or false? You might have a pick a option or choose an option or cross a box, depending whether it is a written questionnaire or not. Which of these things do you like most about NRL? You might have a response scale. On a scale of 1 to 5, how much do you like NRL? Or you might have a continuum scale. On this line, indicate how much you like NRL. These are the types of questions we can ask in a statistical inquiry process. However, there are a number of ways by which we can actually undergo this inquiry process. We can have a questionnaire or survey. By this we give people a piece of paper where they can answer questions, or a Google form. We can undergo a face-to-face interview. Here we sit down with someone and ask them a number of questions. We can have a phone interview, where you call people up and ask them questions over the phone. There are a number of pros and cons to all these types of questionnaires or ways of gathering information from people. What pros and cons can you think of?